Hello everyone, here we are at the Fajr Business Tower. We are just in the final phase of the office that we have designed and built. This is a reception area. We've got a few rooms here. We've got another room here for the staff, for the manager. We've tried to use glass wherever we could. And this is the open area where we have got some workstations. With our project manager putting in this thing. So we've got some workstations here. We've got all the cladding, thermostat controls, all rooms here for the managers. They've got their own thermostat control as well. This is for the general manager. This area we've got the chairman room and the board room. Let's have a look. This is the chairman room. We're fitting this is real cow leather cladding. And on this side we have some wooden cladding. So we've got glass on two sides. We have a view of the sea and the True Drive Hotel. So this here is the conference room. It's good for like 10 people. We've done some fabric cladding here. It's good for acoustics so that the voice is absorbed. Doesn't bounce off all the high density surfaces. So we've got some glass here. All these walls are cladded. So from the entrance we've got this wall where you have the 88-inch TV. It's a really heavy TV. So we've installed this metal frame so it can take the weight of the TV. So that's all the updates from the Marina office in Fajr Business Tower. Stay tuned. We're going to publish one more video once we finish everything and we hand over the project to the client. Thank you.